So here's how to create a portable Windows 10 or 11 USB drive which you can run from anywhere, and it also keeps the state of Windows and installed apps. First we'll need to open the browser and in Google look for Windows 10 ISO. Then make sure you click on the first link to take you to the official Microsoft website where you can download Windows 10 files. Click on download now, create Windows 10 installation media, then wait for it. Now once it's completed, you should click on the installation tool and open it. And it will open a window like this. Now accept the terms here. Now in here, make sure you select create installation media for USB flash drive or another PC. Click next. And in here you can either select manually the language you want, the edition, the architecture, or check this box to use the recommended settings based on the current computer, and then click next. And then make sure you choose an ISO file. Click next, select where you want it installed, click save, and then wait for it to download the Windows 10 ISO. And once it's completed, you can close this window. But I'm going to skip this part since I have it already downloaded. So here's my Windows 10 ISO file, which is about 4.5 gigs. And now we will need another tool to create the bootable Windows. We'll need to go to rufus.ie. Should take you to the official website of the tool here. Then scroll down and click download Rufus 4.6. It should download this app here. Click on it to open it. Now confirm yes. And it should bring up this window. Now in the device here, we want to select our flash drive, which is usually the first one. But if you don't see it, you can click on show advanced properties and then list hard drives to see all the connected drives. And then you should be able to select your flash drive here, and then make sure you select disk or ISO image, and then click on the select button, and then go to where the Windows 10 ISO file is, and then open it. And now make sure in the image option you select Windows to go, and then select the partition scheme of your flash drive. If you don't know which one it is, you can simply go to the Windows Start here, right click, and then open disk management. Should open this. Now look for your hard drive or your flash drive, which is disk 3 in my case. Click on this here and then right click properties, then go to the volumes tab, and you should see the partition style here, which is for me GUID partition table, which is GPT. So that's what I'm going to select here, GPT, and then you can leave this as it is. Now you can give your volume or flash drive a name, which is in this case Win10 Portable. I want to give it this name. Then you can leave these settings the same. Now you can click Start, and then select which version of Windows 10 edition you want to install. I'm going to install Windows Pro. Click OK. And then you can check all of these right here, and then give your if you want to create a local account with a specific username. So I'm gonna give it a name, and then click OK, and then click OK again. So this will basically remove everything from your flash drive. So make sure you back up or save any important stuff there before doing this. and then you can click OK. And now let's wait for it to complete the process. So once it's completed, all you need to do is unplug your flash drive, and then on the other PC, or potentially virtual machine if you want, you can simply plug the hard drive and reboot the PC. And then before the PC boots, make sure you open the boot menu, which is usually escape button or F2, but it might be different for other computers. It depends on the motherboard, but if you don't know the boot key or the boot menu key for your computer, you can simply look your motherboard name, for example, B360 MSI, and then boot menu key, and then it should tell you the boot key for your computer. So reboot the PC and make sure the flash drive is plugged, and then you can simply keep pressing F11 in my case before the PC boots, and it should prompt you with a menu to select the boot device where you want to boot from. You should always select your flash drive with the drive, which you can use normally, and then when you shut down, it will keep the state, the files, and everything, including apps installed, and then you can reuse it again anytime you want. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.